If you want to know how to achieve this bombshell blonde hairstyle by Kiss Love Hair, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but girl, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. We know where you want and need.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing another Kiss Love review. I did a review for them before and their hair was absolutely amazing. Alright, so they gave me a whole bunch of goodies and a lot of things that are very useful. So yeah, this is the hair right here with the mesh on top. Actually, no, I don't even think the mesh is on top. Yeah, this is the hair right there. And I'm really excited because I'm looking at the lace and I don't need to pluck anything. Inside you saw there were combs and an adjustable band. So I'm really excited about that. And look at the lace and the hairline. It's already pre-plucked. I'm really excited. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on so you guys can see exactly when you get it how it's gonna look like. So this is how it looks. The lace is really good quality and the hairline is really natural. So all we have to do really is just make sure that the lace matches our skin tone. So you guys already know how I do it. I take my bronzer and I take my flat brush and I just put it all over that flat brush, and then I put it all over the lace. You want to make sure that you really focus on the hairline, make sure you blend it out, because this is really crucial to making sure that the hair blends properly. And after I'm done doing that, I put it back on and you can already see that it matches much more with my skin tone. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. So now what I'm gonna do is just cut the lace, and I'm going to make sure that I try my best not to cut the baby hairs on there. And I'm also going to cut right behind the ear. So now that I cut the lace and I made sure that it's to my liking, I'm going to put Got To Be spray to glue it down because I'm not gonna fully glue it on. And what I do is I spray a little bit and then I wait for it to get a little bit tacky, and then I just take a comb and just comb that through. And then I'm gonna do that for the sides and on the other side. And after I'm done, I'm going to put that Kiss Love melting band that they added with it, and I'm just gonna wait for it to settle. Okay, so now I'm just going to see what exactly I want to do with my hair. I don't know if I want to do a side part, middle part, but I decided to do a middle part. So what I did is I put a little bit of heat protecting serum, and now I'm putting the wax stick, and then I'm going to go in with a hot comb and just make sure that it's nice and flat and there's no bumps or anything like that. So when I'm done doing that, I'm going to take out the melting band, and even though the lace looks much better, I still have to make sure that it matches my exact skin tone. So I'm just gonna go in a little bit more with that bronzer. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. And before adding the melting band, I do want to do some baby hair. So I'm not doing anything too extra, but I'm taking some mousse and then I'm just kind of sweeping some baby hairs. I don't even really want to cut the hair or anything like that. And I'm gonna put some in the front. Well, the front one I do have to cut a little bit, so I'm just gonna do that and then add some more mousse and then just sweep it where I want it to be. And then I'm gonna apply that headband again. And as it's drying, I'm just gonna go in with my, well, not curling iron, my straightener, but I'm going to curl the hair a little bit. And this is also showing how this hair can hold a curl, which it really can, and it does really good with heat. At the end of the video, you'll see that I did straighten the hair also, and the hair is really, really nice. And as you saw, I'm just cutting a little bit of like layers into it just so that the curl can be really nice. As you can see, it really makes a difference. And I did that to both sides of the hair. And now that the hair is nice and ready, I'm going to take off the melting band and you guys will see the end results, which are really, really beautiful. This blonde hair is so nice. It's really, really soft. There's minimal shedding. Thank you so much, Kiss Love, for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this hair. Everyone was raving about it on Instagram, so thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.